Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know, my name is Tania and today I'm gonna create this glam makeup look which I'm wearing right now, and I created this look on my birthday, so this is gonna be my birthday special makeup look. So if you want to know how I create this look, please keep watching. Well, my skin is already moisturized and prepped. Right now I'm using the eyebrow pencil. This is a Maybelline eyebrow pencil in the shade dark brown, and I'm filling in my brows so that my brows look thicker and there's no gap between the hairs in my brows. And right now I'm applying the concealer. This is the Maybelline concealer in the shade medium to clean up the edges of my brows, and I'm using a brush to apply the concealer. Doing this trick really helps to make your brows more defined. And right now I'm blending the concealer on my forehead and on my eyelids so that that area doesn't get cakey. And right now I'm applying the same concealer on my eyelids. And right now I'm blending the concealer with the help of my damp makeup sponge. And right now I'm gonna start my eye makeup, and right now I'm applying a shade that is close to my skin tone. I'm just creating the perfect base for my eye makeup, and today I'm gonna do the golden cut crease eye makeup look. And right now I'm applying a brown shade on my eyelid, and right now I'm blending the shade so that there's no harsh lines. I'm just blending it well. And right now I'm applying the same Maybelline concealer in the shade medium to cut the crease, and then I'm applying powder on top of the concealer. And right now I'm applying the MAC Fix Plus to make my glitter shades more pigmented, and I'm applying the golden glittery shade on my eyelid. My eye makeup is completed, and right now I'm applying the MAC Studio Fix Fit Foundation. I'm in the shade NC40. Well, now I'm using that damp makeup sponge to make the blending even more smooth. And right now I'm applying the concealer, the Maybelline concealer in the shade medium under my eyes, on the base of my nose, on my chin, and a little bit on my forehead. And right now I'm blending the concealer, and I'm using the same damp makeup sponge to blend it. And also I'm applying a little bit of concealer around my mouth. And right now I'm applying the powder to mattify those areas where I applied the concealer, and this is the banana powder from Makeup Revolution. And right now I'm contouring my cheekbones. And I'm blending the powder into my skin so that it looks smooth. And also I'm applying the contouring powder on my temple and I'm blending the powder. I'm doing the same on the other side of my face. I'm contouring my cheekbones and also applying the powder on the temple and a little bit on my forehead, not too much as I really have a small forehead. And right now I'm again applying the banana powder under my cheekbones to make the contouring sharper. And right now I'm blending the powder all over my face. And right now I'm contouring my nose so that my nose looks slimmer. And right now I'm blending the contouring powder on my nose. Today I'm gonna create the classic winged eyeliner. So right now I'm drawing the wing and I'm using a liquid eyeliner. This is a liquid matte eyeliner. I personally prefer matte eyeliner. I'm just thickening up the eyeliner to make it bold. And right now I'm doing the same on my another eye. I'm drawing the classic winged eyeliner. I really feel that winged eyeliner really goes well if you do the cut crease. And right now I'm applying the kohl pencil on both of my upper and lower waterline. And right now I'm highlighting the inner corners of my eyes and I'm using the Pro Illuminate highlighter by Makeup Revolution. This is a really good drugstore highlighter. I really love this highlighter. And right now I'm highlighting my brow bones and I'm using the same highlighter. And right now I'm applying a brown eyeshadow on my lower lash line. And right now I'm blending the shade so that it gives me a smoky effect. And right now I'm coating my eyelashes with the mascara. This is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. And I'm applying the mascara on my lower lash line as well. And right now I'm applying the blush on the apples of my cheeks. And this blush is from Revlon in the shade Classy Coral. I already have applied the eyelashes, the falsies, and right now I'm applying the highlighter on my cheekbones and also on the temples of my head. And this is the same highlighter from Makeup Revolution. Also on my forehead. You always have to apply the highlighter on the high points of your face. So yeah, and I'm applying the highlighter also on the bridge of my nose, on the tip of my nose, and on my chin. And right now I'm applying the highlighter on my cupid's bow. And right now I'm applying the lipstick from MAC. This is in the shade Ruby Ooh. So this is the final look. if you guys enjoyed this glam makeup tutorial, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also click on the bell button so that you don't miss any video whenever I upload. And I'll see you soon guys in my next video. Bye bye.